In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to same-day delivery in Sam's Club 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to browse, and how to confirm that your items can arrive as soon as 1 hour. Start by heading to the Sam's Club website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, take a second to make sure the page reflects your location. If you're prompted to sign in or confirm your zip code, go ahead. This helps show what's available for delivery in your area. At the top of the homepage, look for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Same Day Delivery. It may sit near the grocery and delivery sections in the top menu. Click Same Day Delivery to open the dedicated page that features items eligible for rapid delivery from your local club. You're now ready to shop. This page is organized to make fast delivery easy, and you can jump right in. One of the simplest ways to explore is to shop by category. Select a category that fits what you need. Think grocery, fresh food, or similar options. Click into a category to see all the items that can be delivered quickly. If you want to refine your search or pivot to a different aisle, back out and choose another category like meat, poultry, and seafood. Browsing across categories is a quick way to compare options and build your basket with everything you need in one run. When you spot something you want, click the item to view its details. As you browse, look for the label that says delivery as soon as 1 hour. That tag is your confirmation that the item is eligible for rapid delivery to your address. If you don't see the label on a product, it may not be available for same-day delivery from your selected club. Ready to add it? Click Add to Cart. When you do, a cart panel typically appears on the right-hand side of the page. In that panel, confirm the fulfillment option by clicking Delivery as soon as 1 hour. This tells Sam's Club to fulfill your order via their same-day service for the fastest arrival window. That's it. You've navigated to the same-day delivery section, browsed by category, selected items with the 1 hour label, added them to your cart, and chosen the fastest delivery option on the right-hand side. A quick tip: availability, fees, and delivery windows can vary by location and time of day. So if something doesn't appear eligible, try adjusting your club location or checking back a bit later. You're now set to get essentials delivered to your door fast.